everyone. So let's talk about the product property of logarithms today. Particularly useful and also fun. Okay, so we have a, b, and x that are positive numbers. Alright, x cannot equal 1. So we have log base x, and then we have a times b inside. Alright, so this is equal to, the rule says that if they're being multiplied to each other inside of the log base, then with the same log base x of a, you can just add them. You can separate them with the same log base, but this time they're being added to each other. Separate them by adding to each other. And this was actually created to finding exponents and making calculations easier, because if I just added exponents to each other, then it would be easier, to do like 5 plus 4, for example. But let's see how the examples go on. It was made to make calculations simpler. Okay, now I'm rambling. Okay, anyways, we've got, so let's look at an example with this property. We have log base of 2, and I have 30 inside. Okay, instead of just keeping it log base 2 of 30, what I can do is I can take 2 factors of 30. Well, let's choose 5 and 6. So I have log base 2 of 5 times 6. Now, so if you have a number inside of your log base, you can take the factors out, and then now you have something that looks like the product property of logarithms, because technically this 5 is your A and this 6 is your B. So now you can split it into the same log base of 2 of 5 plus log base 2 of 6. And this would be your new answer. Okay? And then depending on your whatever problem you're solving, you can have these approximated in a calculator, in like a computing machine, or you just leave it as is. Now let's look at another example. And in this example, let's say they give you the approximation, right? An approximation. Let me make it larger so we can see it. Okay, so we have use log base of 4 of 2 equal 2.5 to approximate the value of log base 4 of 32. Okay, so let's start off with our log base 4 of 32. Alright, so the good news is they give you log base 4 of 2, and they already give you an approximation for that, so you don't have to figure it out on your own. Log base 4 of 32, find 2 factors of 32 that work. Alright, where, let's see, probably it would be best to have something with a 2 in it. Because when I split this I want log base 4 of 2, and then I can say, oh, well, it's 0.5. Alright, so I can say 2 times 16. Alright, so I can say log base 4 of 16 times 2, because 16 times 2 is equal to 32. And now I can split this into log base 4 of 16 plus log base 4 of 2. So log base 4 of 2, they already give that to you, which is over here. Log base 4 of 2, this one is equal to 0.5. Log base 4 of 16, you can go back and use your exponent rules, because then we have, because this is basically equal to 4 to the power of what will give us 16. Well, 4 squared is equal to 16, so this means that y is equal to 2. So this means that our log base 4 of 16, this one is equal to 2. So 2 plus 0.5 is equal to 2.5.